So hey everybody, how you doing? I'm back. I haven't done a video in quite a while, but I've been making a lot of footage so I can put up some decent videos all in one shot instead of just putting out videos with nothing to talk about and just blurting nonsense out here. I know you guys I don't think it's time to waste listening to when I got nothing to say or anything to show. So let me give you a quick recap on things that have been done. I got my floors done. It was a friend of mine that did it, so I got to save some money on it. I got my the roof done to my porch. That was just a mess. It was a disaster. But it's nice now in the house. The plumbing is that's kind of going slow. You know, one of the things something I'm learning now is that when you get these contractors, I made a little mistake. I paid the guy in full. I just think that and he's just taking his time, so probably if I didn't pay him in full, he'd probably do the job faster. And now I'm in a kind of a rush to find out if my hot water heater's working and if my furnace is working in the house. That's going to be my next it's my next thing that I need to check out. I need to know if my water heater's working because once the winter comes, I'm gonna have problems if these things aren't working. And my first floor tenant is looking forward to moving in, but the one thing that I'm not going to let him, he can't move in if the hot water and the heat's not working. So that's a problem. All right. So back at the house. Okay, I'm going to do a little walkthrough. Show you the things I got done. All right. Up until now, we got these two windows changed. That's what's there now. I don't know if you can see good, but that's what the old windows would look like. Later today, the rest of the windows will be done. And also, in the next video, we're going to see that all the siding and the whole front of this house is going to be redone in the next video. And we are going to match the color of the house. We're going to make the color of this house match the neighbors. So we're going to have a nice light color house. I'd rather change the color of the house. It'll look better. All right, so let's go inside. All right, here we go. This is living room. The floor now is dirty, but the floor is done. Windows about to get pulled out. Those are the new windows. Doors again. This area is getting tiled. Again, over here, everything is getting carpeted. Last time you were listening to music when I was doing this. This wall is staying like that. That door is going to be put back up. These windows are going to be also replaced. Over here, if you see, there's a hole in the floor, because that's the only way to get our water lines and all that stuff under the house. This house has a ridiculous crawl space. Again, our laundry room, all the pipes are run already. There's another hole in the floor for the piping. This is our back room. The wall's open here. Once again, to get all the piping for the shower on the other side. And boom, all this is going to be carpeted. Blue. The floor's done. There's the dining area. The floor is all done. And then my biggest nightmare for now is this kitchen. All right. We are going to be redoing all the door fronts, new countertops, and everything is going to be done. I got a nice new fridge for this apartment. We're good to go. And again, these windows are already done. Just need to be sealed up and good to go. So that concludes this portion of the video, or that concludes this video. I know I'm not wearing my signature Martin hat, but I had to go and order a few more because it got all messed up. And just a quick update on my personal condition. I'm starting to walk again, so I'm starting to get a little mobile. So things will probably get a little easier for me as far as my content. And listen, if you like the video, if you want to keep following me, just subscribe. If you get I doubt you got anything out of the video, but smash that like button for helps me out. and hopefully the next video will be better than this one. I'm definitely going to have a lot more content coming up, because next we're doing the whole front of the house. So we'll see you later. Bye.